Hi children, this is article revision class. There are 26 letters in alphabets. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. The rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. Articles A, an, TH the, AR an. A goes before words that begin with consonants. An goes before words that begin with vowel sounds. Let's see some examples. A ball, a bat, a cap, a doll, an apple, an elephant, an olive.
Students, now let's do the book exercise. Take English grammar book and open page number 42. In this page, we have the exercise of articles. Okay, let's start. What are the children eating? Let's answer this. See this girl. Which fruit is in her hand? Yes, watermelon. Come on, let's write it. WATERMELON. Watermelon. See here. Can you name the fruit that the boy eats? Yes, it's apple. Come on, let's write it. APPLE. Apple. Did you notice the letter A and an before the naming words? Children, here A is written before watermelon since W is a consonant.
And here an is written before apple since A is a vowel. You know there are 26 letters in English alphabet. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. The other 21 letters of the English alphabet are called consonants. This we have already revised. Coming to the next one. Look at the pictures, then complete the words using A, E, I, O or U. The first one, what is this? Rat. Therefore, R, A, T, rat. The second one, what is this? Pot. P, O, T, pot. The third one, what is this? Bed. So, B, E, D, bed. Fourth one, this is oil. O, I, L, oil. Fifth one is cup. C, U, P, cup. And the sixth, yes, hat. H, A, T, hat. In the seventh one, yes, this is key. K, E, Y, key. The eighth one is hat. H, U, T, hat. And now come to page number 43. Use A or an with these naming words. Children, I hope you are thorough with where to use A and
where to use an. Come on, let's do it. In the first one, eagle. Check whether E is a vowel or consonant. E is a vowel. Therefore, an eagle. Second one, kite. Check whether K is a vowel or consonant. K is a consonant. Therefore, a kite. Third one, boat. Check whether B is a vowel or consonant. B is a consonant. Hence, a boat. Fourth one, ink pot. Check whether I is a vowel or consonant. I is a vowel. Hence, an ink pot. The rest of the questions in this topic are left as homework. Now children, in the topic B, which is fill in the blanks with a or an. Now it's your turn to answer these questions. Nothing difficult. Just to see the word next to the dash and note its first letter and find whether it is a vowel or consonants. Then answer it. Okay children, complete the homework by your own. Thank you.